Today we are back with this Sewobye touchscreen smartwatch. Outside the box, well, everything comes pretty much well packaged. To the back there is a contents list and some listed features, all of which we'll get into shortly. So yeah, a pretty basic box, but inside we have to the right the main watch unit. Underneath we have a lanyard, so I guess yes, you can hang this watch around your neck. There's a silicone watch band, one Type-C charge cable, there's also a Type-C 3.5mm adapter for listening to music via your wired earphones, and included is a micro USB and Type-C USB adapters, as well as a short multi-language user manual. So yes, there's lots of accessories, but let's have a closer look at the functions. To the left, there is a Type-C charge port. To the right, there is an SD card slot for maximum 128GB capacity. Below, there is a power button, a volume up, volume down, previous and next track selection buttons, and behind we have that all-important sprung clip, which when pressed and attached to that silicone watch band, it will lock into place quite securely. Trying it on, initially I did find it a bit uncomfortable. The watch band is slightly narrow and the watch unit is a bit bulky. It is around 1cm in thickness. Let's power it on, and you can see that Sewobye logo appear just for a few seconds. On the main screen we've got some features, but first I've got to say that this smartwatch works independently, so no connection to your mobile phone. It will however work with most audio devices such as TVs, Bluetooth speakers and wireless and some wired earphones. Simply put your audio device into pairing mode, select Bluetooth on the Sewobye watch, search for device, and shortly you should see a list of audio devices to choose from. Select and press match, and it should now be connected. So looking at some of the controls, simply swipe left to go back, or swipe up and down for volume up and down settings. Let's go ahead and try out a tune, and to be honest, it doesn't sound too bad. It doesn't have no limitations on volume settings, and yeah, it's quite loud. You can use the screen functions to skip tracks, fast forward, or use those physical buttons to the bottom. You have some other options like song repeat and sound settings, so yeah, you've got an equalizer and a handy bookmark option. Let's go back, and yes, we have a pedometer, which will track your steps by movement. You can set up the height, weight and step length to make it more accurate, and you do have a record of 7 counts of step history. So yes, you can compare how many steps you've done in one day to the previous days. There's also a voice recording option that allows you to take voice memo recordings.
Well, hello guys, yes, I am recording on this watch, and you do get 73 hours of memo record time
from that 16GB internal memory.
19? Huh? Really? That's wrong. You need to change that big time.
There is a handy built-in radio, so yes, you can listen to them all-important football scores, but you will have to use the Type-C earphone adapter, as that adapter acts as an antenna for that FM reception. So I guess, yes, wired earphones for the radio only, but on this watch you've also got an ebook reader, picture viewer, file manager, and the usual watch settings. So yes, overall, it's quite a simple but easy to use watch with just a few functions. Charge time averages around 2 hours for full charge, with a total of 20 hours playback, and it does have quick and easy connection to speakers, headphones and earphones. I can't really see myself using this watch, to be honest. I do think it's more tailored to younger children, as I do think it's a bit bulky and it has only got a few features. If you're after a simple music MP3 player, then I think it might be okay for someone that way wants to listen to music while working. But one point I need to make is that it's definitely not a fashion icon. So yes, I guess if I was to rate this touch watch out of my usual rating out of 10, I am sorry to say, but I've honestly got to give it a 4 out of 10. Now I could have gone lower, but I gave it a 4 simply because the features did work well. The touchscreen was very responsive, audio was loud with good quality, but I do think that this watch is around 8 years behind its time. It is bulky, and I've got to mention that silicone watch band did become irritating on my wrist after a good few hours use. Anyway guys, I hope this review helped today, and if it did, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, making sure yes you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I will certainly hope to see you guys on my new video, which will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!